Did a mother's counterclaim against her ex-husband's family just get quashed? Did a mother's counterclaim against her ex-husband's family just get quashed? A woman is cleared of sexual molestation allegations just hours after her ex-husband lodged similar claims against her own brother. The mother's FIR was lodged just hours after the father filed a similar complaint against her brother. A division bench of the Bombay High Court had earlier stayed the proceedings on an interim basis, finding prima facie that the complaint lacked substance. The Supreme Court observed that the second respondent mother had failed to enter appearance despite having been served. It is commonplace. At in-laws are dragged in to settle scores in cases arising out of marital discord. In a shocking decision, the Supreme Court has quashed an FIR registered against a woman under the POCSO Act on a complaint by her former sister-in-law alleging that she had sexually molested her minor nephew. The Bench of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice K. Vinod Chandran was hearing an appeal filed by the paternal aunt of twins born from the marriage of her brother, who had since obtained a divorce by mutual consent. The court noted that the mother's FIR came just hours after the father had lodged an equally serious FIR alleging an offence by the maternal uncle against the children's twin sister. The mother alleged that her son had complained of harassment even while she was in the matrimonial home, and that she had witnessed one such incident, but no such allegation had been raised at the time of the divorce or at any point before the FIR was registered. The court recorded that a division bench of the Bombay High Court had earlier stayed the proceedings on an interim basis, finding prima facie that the complaint lacked substance. However, at the final hearing, the High Court proceeded to hold that since cross-complaints had been raised, the appellant must face trial, without examining either the FIS or the Section 164 statement despite its attention being drawn to the earlier order, holding that the High Court ought to have examined the record, particularly when another division bench had already found the allegations prima facie unsustainable. The Supreme Court observed that the second respondent mother had failed to enter appearance despite having been served. The court quashed FIR number 1002024 registered at Khadki Police Station, Pune, under Section 354 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 8 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, 2012, and directed that no further proceedings be taken pursuant to it. Is it fair to quash a POCSO FIR just because the complaint appears to be a counterclaim in a marital dispute? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. Remember, even in cases of matrimonial disputes, it's crucial to scrutinize the allegations and ensure that no one is falsely accused or subjected to unnecessary trial. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.